Good day, everyone. You guys see a red clay detailing. I am working on a Honda Accord, I think it's a 2017. And this is a road warrior. It's back and forth out of town on the highway. And the owner basically doesn't really get it detailed. And doesn't even wash it. I haven't washed it on a regular basis. So when he brought it in, the hood, bumper covered in bugs. There's traces of tar, not tar, but sap. And if you can see the little areas here where I've sanded to where the bugs have actually eaten into the paint. So because they've been on here so long, they've actually broken through the clear coat. And in some cases, you can actually see the metal of the hood because it's gone through it, or the primer, even if not the metal, but the primer is eating that deep into the paint. So one of the things you want to do is make sure you get the bugs off of your vehicle as soon as possible and keep it protected with, if it's a road warrior, something you drive on a regular basis, you want to do film, PPF, ceramic coating, or at the very least keep wax on it on a regular basis. That way it'll stay protected, make it easy for the bugs to get off the paint and doesn't eat into it as quickly. So you want to make sure that keep the car clean. That way it doesn't build up and bugs, dirt comes off very easily. And in some cases, it's going to become beyond repair. Detailer can't repair with buffing, no amount of buffing, sanding. At a certain point, you're going to need to repaint the car. But I'm just going to recover as much as I can of the clear and just make it look as best as possible. There's still going to be areas where there are traces of bugs because it's eating so deeply into the paint. So just wanted to share that with you, and just a reminder, keep your car clean, keep it protected. That way it'll look better in the long run. Again, your best option is the PPF, your clear bar, the clear film, or ceramic coating. If you know you're going to be driving a lot, those are the first two options. It's an investment up front. In the long run, it's going to provide you great appearance if it's done correctly. Great appearance, and the wax, at the very least, keep it waxed and wash and wax on a regular basis. Even if you're washing it, it's going to help keep the bugs down and keep the paint from, keep the bugs and tar and bird droppings from eating into your paint so quickly. So I wanted to share that tip with you. Thank you for joining me, and check out the other videos that I have on our channel. Have a great day.